case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States District Court for the District of Kansas recently ruled in the case of Van Nguyen versus IBP, Inc., in a dispute involving the disclosure of expert witnesses. This case starkly underscored the importance of full disclosure under Rule 26, A, 2, B, which posits that a party must furnish comprehensive information about their expert witnesses. Failure to do so could result in their testimony being excluded from proceedings. The defendant in this case moved to exclude the plaintiff's chosen expert, Dr. Nathan Shechter, alleging the plaintiff's failure to comply with the disclosure requirements. Assessment of the plaintiff's disclosure methods affirmed this assertion, with the court identifying inadequate disclosure concerning Dr. Shechter. The plaintiff's oversight was deemed substantial, with the court asserting that the defendant's rights could potentially be eroded by it. The initial sparring began when the plaintiff failed to provide a properly detailed disclosure that met the requirements of Rule 26. Although Dr. Shechter had given a medical report inclusive of his examinations and opinions, his curriculum vitae was not signed, and the attorney names and contact details in the patient list he gave had crucial gaps. In addition, while the plaintiff confirmed that Dr. Shechter would be receiving payment for his contributions to the case, they failed to disclose the full information as required. Rebutting the defendant's questions, the plaintiff claimed they were overly broad and tedious. This claim, however, was viewed with skepticism by the court, mainly due to the prevalent vagueness around the date of the curriculum vitae and patient lists serving. The court, in its final decision, sided with the defendant, allowing the motion to partially exclude Dr. Schechter's testimony. If the plaintiff can address and resolve the disclosure flaws within the next 40 days, Dr. Shechter may then be allowed to testify at the trial. The case thus exhibits the pertinence of thorough adherence to rules regarding expert disclosure, and highlights the extreme measures courts can take to uphold fair proceedings.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.